Hey cubing gang, the Speedcuber here. Welcome to the second episode of Let's Learn Last Layer Algorithms. In the previous episode, we learned the 4 VLS cases that I know. Now we will learn 10 more VLS cases, and these cases are my favorites. Here is our first case. So if we have this pistol shape and we have this F2L pair, what we will do to skip OLL is to do this. F prime, U prime, F, and U, R, U to R prime. Here is our second case. We have this P attaching to this F2L pair, and we have a bar right here on the F2L slot. What we will do is rotate this way, and R prime, F prime, then insert this pair by doing that and undo the first two moves. Here is the third case. So we have this fish OLL, kind of like a fish OLL, and we don't have blocks. What we will do is rotate and U, then R2 prime, F, R, F prime, R. Here is the next case. So if you have this L shape and we have a 2x2 by 1, then what we will do is hide this F2L pair, then take out by doing this and solve the F2L pair. Now this case, I always see it on Felix example solves. In this case, we have a 2x2 by 1 and we have this L shape. What we will do is this. It is actually one of the best VLS cases because if you are facing this side, we can do this. And if we are facing this side, you can do this. Here is our next case. So we have this lightning bolt shape and we have a bar right here. What we will do is put this F2L pair on the back and sledgehammer, then RU to R prime. By the way, it is also one of the best VLS cases because if we are holding it from this position, we can do this. If you are facing on this position, we can do this. Finger tricks are very nice. Here is the mirror of the previous case. We can do R, U, and B moves. Next case, we have this L shape and we have a big bar right there. What we will do is just do this and RU to R prime. Next case, we have this 2x1 block, 2x1 block, and we have this shape. What we will do is this and split apart this pair and insert normally. In this case, we will do U and RU to R prime to get this OLL. In this case, we have this L and big bar right there. What we will do is this, hide this pair and insert it and F. So those are my favorite VLS cases. Thank you all for watching. Again, this is the second episode of Let's Learn Last Layer Algorithms. This is the Speedcuber, and see you all next time.